Hello everyone! Are you stuck on the Samsung FRP lock screen after a factory reset or purchasing a second-hand device? So don't worry. Today I will tell you about one of the best Android unlock tool called For You Key by Tenorshare. This is a 2-in-1 removal tool for Android screen and FRP lock. This tool supports one-click bypassing all types of Android screen locks. This is the best Samsung FRP lock removal tool. This tool supports almost all versions of Android from old to latest one. Also, this tool supports almost all Android devices like Samsung, Oppo, Vivo, Realme, Redmi, and LG. For more information, you can check their website. I will add the link in the description box and pinned comment. First, go to google.com and search For You Key for Android by Tenorshare, then go to their official website. Here are all the features supported by this tool. Now, download the official For You Key Android Unlock tool by clicking here. After downloading, install this tool on your PC. After complete installation, you can buy the full version of this tool by clicking here. Here you can see all of their plans, and you will get an extra discount if you buy from the link in the description box and pinned comment. After complete registration, you will get login details on your Gmail account. Enter your login details here and click Register. After complete registration, now you can use all of this tool features. Now let's see how this tool works. You can see this phone is FRP locked. First, connect your phone with PC, then click Remove Google FRP Lock. Then select your device. I am selecting Samsung. Now select Universal Removal option and click Remove Now. Now enter code *#0*#, then click Next. Now wait until the process completes. You can see Google FRP Lock has been successfully removed. Now your phone will boot normally, and you can use your phone without any lock. You can download this tool from the link in the description box and get an extra discount.